We all saw the change in our air. The cleaner skies and the lighter traffic. We've seen how our small actions can make a big difference. Let's continue to be a part of the change we all want to see. Because we believe there is no better time than now to protect our planet and rethink how we travel. The Metrolink service is essential to our Southern California communities. It reduces traffic congestion, benefits the environment, and is a safe and healthy way to travel that takes the stress out of your commute. So let's travel better. Let's travel smarter. Wherever you need to go, we can get you there. Let's get there together. Metrolink. Smarter, better, essential.